Rain garden is a means of filtering water and keeping a lot of sediment and stuff out of the rivers and streams of Connecticut and every other state for that matter. It's designed to, again, filter. You start by laying a general pathway that you want the water to flow down, cover it with a landscape fabric, and then put a series of rocks, etc., to channel the water down and actually filter the water and not really retain a puddle or anything like that. People can use either where the water comes down their street. The average homeowner, their garage or house has drain pipes that you can channel water down. We've harnessed the water coming off the nature center, which is in back of us. We start at a pipe at the drain spout, the downspout, and ran 30 feet of 4-inch PVC pipe. And it just follows the water down and comes the rocks down and seeps itself into the soil. The whole garden is amazing. We've got a variety of flowers in here. Red maple has been planted recently. There's all sorts of great natives in here that are flourishing now because of. I'd like to say it's because of the rain garden, but the whole area has really blossomed in the last year.
Hi, I'm Bob, and I'm in the lower part of the rain garden. So the actual water, when it comes down, goes in a serpentine pattern, and I'm standing on the rocks where the water would be during a rain event. But I wanted to point out the garden here has seeds, flowers, and fruits for different nutrients to be available at different times of the year. So I have Juneberry here, which is going to have a fruit in June. That's why it's called Juneberry, but it flowers in late April. Then we have a member of the holly family called Winterberry, and the Winterberry has red fruits that are available on the plant until late March. And then to my right here, we have a beach plum, which will flower in midsummer. And like the rose hips that you find in the park here, they'll be available, and they're actually edible. You can make beach plum jelly or jam out of it. I've eaten Juneberry. So these are plants that the Native Americans might have taken advantage of. I'm not sure about the Winterberry. I've never eaten one. I'd have to do a little research, and I always do research before I eat something that I see out in the woods. And then I'm standing near a plant that looks like a fern. It's actually called sweet fern, and it has a cinnamon flavor or fragrance to it. So we even additionally have fragrance in this garden. So it's not just a rain garden. It's beautiful. It's got colors. It's got food. It's doing filtering. It's doing a lot of different things that people don't even see as part of an ecosystem that we tried to change and make a more diversified area.